can watch this. So right now on Jasmy, on the daily time frame, Jasmy did get a move up to 5.9. So since I looked at this last time, the previous high was right here at 5.7 last time we looked at. Now you put in a higher high at 5.9. The resistance remains the same at 0.6 of a penny. The support remains the same at 4.72 to the downside. So basically 4.7. That remains the same. The daily chart is continuing its downward trend. Try to get a move to the upside short term. Didn't last very long, and it's already rolling over. The 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart right now has put in a higher low, but the 4-hour chart could get pinned and you could start dumping. Based on the 4-hour chart right now, you're very close to resistance, and now I would expect the next level of support where you could probably get the bounce is 4.7. So 4.7 is very likely on the table, maybe 47.5. Short term, let's go to the 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart is pinned. It can't go any lower on the RSI, but you're still not at support. Now, I guess you are sitting right on the 200-day moving average on the 1-hour chart right now, so that could act as maybe some support, but your support level price-wise is 4.7. If we go to the 4-hour chart, you're well above the 200-day moving average, and I think on the daily chart, you're still below it. And I've said that for a while now is at 6.5. And now since I've looked at it, it's gone down to 6.34. So the lower the price gets or stays below 6.34, slowly the 200-day moving average will come lower and lower. And maybe eventually it will be at 0.6 of a penny. So really 0.6 of a penny is looking to be huge resistance right now. Not only is it it's not only price resistance, but it's also very close to where the 200-day moving average is on the daily chart. So overall, 0.6 of a penny is very, very big support or resistance to the upside. So right now it's looking like you're kind of range bound between 4.7 and 6.6. I think if you break 0.6, Jasmy would have a huge breakout up to the next local high that you had on Jasmy, which was, it was around 1.2 cents, and that was all the way back on around August, beginning and middle of August. You had multiple price points where you couldn't get above that level. Once on the 10th of July, then you had a lower high on the 1st of August, and then you had a double top basically on the 16th of August at 1.2 cents. So if you break 0.6, I'm not saying it's going to go straight to 1.2 cents, but that would be one of the next major resistances. And then, of course, you do have some major resistance at 1 penny, of course, psychological resistance as well. You can see when you dumped from 1 penny, you didn't really get much support until 0.6 of a penny. You also did get very good support at 0.8 of a penny. So I guess that would be the next resistance. So if you break 0.6 of a penny, I'm looking for a move back to 8.2 of a penny. So 82% of a penny. That's kind of what I'm looking at. So that would be a nice move of almost 30% or more if it did break 0.6 of a penny on Jasmy's little. Long term, that's kind of what I'm looking at right now, Jasmy. But I think short term, you're going to go pull back to 4.7. So that's a longer version of what I'm looking for right now. If at 4.7 you put in a higher low on the RSI, which you probably will do, I would look for a retest of the resistance at 0.6 of a penny. And if you break that, then like I said, the next resistance is 0.83. With that being said, guys, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.